project is GSM and GPS based vehicle tracking system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its data board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD. GSM and GPS are connected to Arduino through YOT. Emergency button connected to Arduino digital pin. GPS module and its antenna. Antenna always faces to sky. We have to keep GPS module in open environment with open sky. GPS will take long time to get accurate values in indoor, so keep it in open environment. Here we have open environment. Sometimes GPS will take few minutes to get latitude and longitude. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to store mobile number. Now we have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. Here we can track any vehicle by installing this project. User can get vehicle location in 3 ways. First way, when driver wants to tell his location, then he has to press button, then location SMS will send to registered mobile number. On LCD means SMS sending. Second way, for every 30 to 60 seconds time interval, automatically location SMS will send to registered mobile number. Third way, if you send star as a hash command to GSM modem, we will get vehicle location. In all SMS, we can get vehicle location in Google Maps.